Holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Kisho, guys. In this video I'm talking about the currently price update of Kisho. What's the price changes occur in the Kisho. Let me show you guys. But if you are new, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly subscribe now for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, if we talk about the currently latest price of Kisho in the market, so the current price is about 0.000004 USD dollar is the current price. Other side, last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Kisho is completely going positive. So very congratulations to all Kisho holders. And now the good news, the surprise for all of you is that another huge pump Kisho is coming soon. So just hold, guys. It's time to hold, not to sell, guys, because the unbelievable pump of Kisho is coming soon. I recommend for all of you guys that hold to the last half of October. Absolutely, my prediction is positive, and I believe that to the last to 31 October you found Kisho positive completely, guys. So never miss this opportunity, guys. A lot of coin will become positive in the last of months, and Kisho is also one of them. So just hold, guys, and if you want to buy, so already it's now the price is very cheap. Buy now, hope that will give you a huge profit if you hold for some time. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.